I have to say that today I was very stupid. After spending an hour honing the razor, I by mistake deleted the recording. So today will be mainly pictures and some videos under the microscope. I hope it should do. And anyway, I have a question for you at the end of the video. So stay put. So, today we are with Joseph Rodgers and Son, number 2, Star and Cross razor. Very nice etching on blade, really like it. It's a nice vintage razor, that's the back of it. Nice black polished scales. You can see the brands and writings here. They're obviously made in England, Sheffield. Good blade and nice, very sober scales, but like the style of it. So the razor was very rusty, so I had to polish it. So here's what the bevel looked like after the polish. So nothing, basically, no bevel, nothing. You can see that it's been quite pinched by the rust. So I hope we'll get that away with the next stone. A few dents, and also unfortunately there is quite a big crack. Not that big, but quite deep, that we'll briefly see here, just here. So now I'm gonna use, or I have used actually, because you won't see it now, the Diamond Stone Atoma 600 to reset the bevel, and that's what it will look like, I think. Yeah, that's the first image of the bevel I have. So most dents are gone. I still need to spend a bit of time on it, I'd say, a little bit, but most are gone. There is just one that we'll see later on that needs to be again worked on. Yeah, this one. But what's worrying me the most is the crack here. See, it's quite deep, so we won't be able to remove it completely because that will remove too much steel, and the blade would be too small then. So let's see. Then I used my usual stones. The Asano Naguras and all the Japanese stones, and here's the final edge I got, which is quite great, I have to say. It's quite nice, very flat, very smooth, no dent anymore, and unfortunately, as expected, the crack is still there. So I was able to smoothen it, I would say, but you see it's still there. There was no way I could remove it completely. So I spent some time on the strobe, 150-200 laps on the Kanayama 60,000. And then I've done the usual hanging hair test. Which went well, as you can see. Really good result. And after this test, there was no way I couldn't try a shaving test. So I've done a shaving test, and to my big surprise, it went very well too. Very smooth. Now the crack that I'm worried about is at the tip of the razor, almost at the tip of the razor. So this is a spot we don't use much, except sometimes for under the nose, if you have some leftover hair. So that's probably why there was no irritation, nothing on my skin. So that's a nice razor. So my question to you is, would you keep it? What would you do? Just keep it as a decoration, or would you use it? Personally, I would still use it because I loved it. I love the shape, and I love the shave I had with it. Let me know in the comments. I'll be most interested to know. Thanks guys, see you soon, and most likely with a proper video next time.